Why can we?
So, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So first thing first, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Pratama, and right now in this place we have we have the alumni of 24 class English language development unit Winsari. So yeah, introduce yourself.
Aduh, introduce myself.
Ya,
Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
aduh,
Ini serius gue di interview.
iyalah.
Ya, so my name is Hasbi. You can call me Hasbi, but in foreign language, I usually go by Will, Will, because it's easier for native English to
Ya,
say it. And
I also
then,
call him Will,
yeah, I
Mister
like it
Mister Will yang mulia, your majestic Will.
too much.
So the important topic is uh, Mr. Pitra asked you to tell to me about the things that related in class. I don't know what class, maybe that English language development class, because we are in the same class, right? Just different time, anjay. So, do you uh, in your class time, uh, does Mr. Pitra ever show you some videos or film, like you're watching films
Oh,
in the in middle of semester?
about the film, I don't exactly remember when the film is because I usually just scrolling through social media, and I think there's one of the time that we watch a film, but I don't exactly remember when. So yeah, we did.
So what's the film? Is it the same like us? The title is Ado manage your language or what? I don't know. I forget. Ah, yeah, like that lah. The comedy films, such comedy films.
Oh yeah, international class, and
Yeah, that's it.
and the other one is I don't know because yeah, it's kind of like a series, a British film, British humor, and yeah, I don't know, I
Yeah,
forgot.
the we sometimes we couldn't get the humor because it was distracted. We got distraction by the language. We don't understand the language, so we couldn't get the humor. Oh yeah, the instruction in this assignment, Mr. Pitra asked to use like simple past tense or
Present
past
tense.
continuous, yeah, such like that.
Uh,
I don't really understand about like
yeah.
that tenses. That lah. Because my motto, my rules, ya my ya itulah. Uh, the important is I can talk in English and the other people understand what I was playing. Yeah, like that. So yeah, could you tell me how was the class in your years?
The first semester or the second one?
Both.
So the first semester is one of the memorable what is it, years for me. Yeah, it is memorable because the people in it is more like extroverted than
Friendlier.
than the second years. Yeah, and I feel like I'm more what is it? I'm more into the first class, and then in the yeah, I like someone in the what is it in that class also, yeah, just like
Okay.
the
When,
bot
yeah.
class when, yeah. Yeah, it is.
Uh-huh.
And then the second semester is, yeah, we just four four boys, yeah, the boys just four, and yeah, yeah, what is it, and then the other just girl, I don't know, 16. Yeah, most of the class is from the English language department, and in the second semester I am the only one that the Arabic, from the Arabic. I do not know, I just like, I love like English language, but yeah, I ended up in here because my parents doesn't want to has, what is it, has a children that same same same, what is it,
What?
same major. Yeah, it's a
Oh.
major, so I choose the Arabic. Titik.
Mm.
Titik.
Uh, yeah, I think it was the same like in my years. So the first semester we last semester we also have uh, what more boys than girl, I think. But in the second semester we how much, like 10 or 9 maybe boys in
Hmm.
class, and most of the class also girl.
Yeah.
Yeah, three in P. Yeah, four with me in Arabic major. I'm me and Lia.
Who's
Uh,
Leah?
Aulia Rahmah.
Ah, B.
Me B.
Oh.
Me Lia,
Uh,
and then Icel,
hmm.
then Mardiati, Adijah.
Oh.
Siapa?
Putra Putri.
Ya, there's lah. Aziz ya, Aziz. Five with Ray.
Oh, Rayhan Aryan.
Yeah,
Yeah, I
Ray.
know her.
Yeah, so
Uh.
I don't know, like we also confused to ourselves because actually we are in Arabic, but yeah, we apa ya, kayak uh,
Identity crisis. Crisis identity.
yeah, identity crisis. Yeah, like how can we got the higher class in,
In English, but in
yeah,
Arabic,
yeah,
I'm at 6.
mm, like that. Then about the lesson in class, uh, how was the lesson in your class in your year?
Bentar. Let's make a question. Yeah.
Question apa ini juga? Uh,
So, yeah, you
mm,
just continue and I'll talk. So, yeah, if you cannot understand what I'm talking about, it's
mm,
because I'm using a new accent. So, yeah, I'm learning new accent. And then, uh, the subject in our class is, well, there's nothing we can do about it. Lots of changing. The English in the first place is just like the 16 rule, the 16 sentence, such as simple past,
uh-huh.
simple perfect, and the other one. Yeah, and lots of them I cannot understand. Well, I usually do the talk. How do I spell it in American? Talk. Talk.
Talk.
Talk.
Yeah, talk.
I don't know. I'm
Itu
sorry.
lah, like
Yeah,
that lah.
yeah. I usually into speaking.
Hmm.
Such in Arabic we call it kalam.
Mhm.
So yeah, in English we call it speak. Yeah,
Yeah, speaking.
speaking.
Hmm.
Maharah,
Yeah,
maharah speaking.
yeah, Maharo speaking.
I do not know.
So it means that in your years also there's like in the end of the what, learning that you are telling story like that, talking in front of class.
Yeah, in the end of the class, the the telling
Telling
our
story.
most memorable experience,
Mm.
and my memorable experiences in the first semester is I went to the Kota Baru and
Mhm.
then lock up mengunci ya
Locked up.
yeah, I lock up my brother in the outside, so he climbed out the roof to get in the room. Yeah. Such as
Wow.
the best brother. And then in the no, in the second semester, I don't exactly remember, but it is in my sites.
Mhm.
It's still there. So if you want to,
Oh, so in your years also you make Google sites like that?
yes, and
Ah,
then
same.
in now I make it as one. I create new Google Sites
Oh.
to combine in language development first semester, second
Mm.
semester, and then UPB Excellent.
Mm.
Yeah, fun fact, I am one of the Maxim drivers. We call it Maxim in UPB Excellent.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, yang the yellow one.
Ah,
Maybe.
yes.
Yeah, it's. I didn't expect that to be one of them because I'm from Arabic. So yeah, it's. I just feel like that I'm in the wrong major. So yeah, and then we do lots of things. We do
Uh-huh.
VN, voice note, talking about our hobby,
Mm.
town, yeah, tune. We're
Mhm.
talking about tune, sound, kota.
Tahu.
Yeah, it is. I said tune. We talk about it, our home tune.
Tahu.
Uh, and then hobby, and our family. Yeah, and then second semester we do writing. Yeah, we do writing about it's some same subjects such as hobby, part two, and
Mm.
then yeah, lots of things.
Mm.
In the first semester we speaking, and then in the second semester we do writing. Yeah, I like the first semester because we do just speaking, not we do not care about the grammar.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, and 1 hour I like the 1 hour voice note and nobody listen to it.
And yeah, but in my years, we also do the VN voice note, but uh, I forget about it in the first semester. But in the second semester, and also maybe at the middle of first semester, we start to reading and we do VN and read it. But yeah, it's the longest time I take in that reading is 10 minutes. It's so long, very long, and that the reading we take the no Mr. Fitra takes the text. It's from the book Atomic Habits.
Oh yeah, I know it.
Hmm.
I buy it and
But
then I
yeah,
give to others.
I don't really understand what the book talking about.
They just have it.
Yeah, so yeah, we have the a lot of same. Yeah, not really the same maybe. But did you ever in your years like learning outing class, like you went to Gachuan or something or somewhere?
In UPB.
Mm.
I think we do. Well, we never do that. Yeah, sadly,
Mm.
we never do that.
Oh, it
But
means
uh, in that UPB Excellent, we do in what is it at the library.
mm,
What is it? Perpustakaan daerah.
mm-hmm.
Yeah, and 6 miles, 6 kilometer, six.
It means like I mean like the went to Gachuan.
For what?
I don't follow it because at the time I have aduh lupa apa bahasa Indonesia. I have apa sih we I have some ceremonial ceremony in Pemko.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we got calling from Korsik, so I can follow that. And then in the second semester, we just went to outing class at what Apung Syariah.
Apung Syariah.
Yeah, it's new things for me. New thing for me. Like yeah, we usually studying in the very cold class, and suddenly we go out. Yeah, we get out from the class.
Winter class.
Yeah, 12 class to Apung
Uh,
Tarbiyah.
Did you take the IELTS test?
Yes, we have taken the IELTS test for maybe 2 or 3 times. I forget about it. And yeah, I don't think my degree are good, but yeah, bisa lah.
Yeah, bisa
Bisa
lah.
lah, yeah. Yeah, I mean if I think if I go to Bali or outside country lagi or ya itulah or the other country, I mean yeah, I can talk and I can understand maybe a little about what they say, what they say is like that. Ya itulah, I can still can understand what they mean like that. So what else? Like you usually do you ever in your years like making video like this, asking to the alumni?
Yeah, lots of video that I did in the first and the second semester. The first one is in the middle test we do spoken test with who her name, I forgot her name. Yeah, her name is Melanie, and she got sick and cannot continue the class. So yeah.
What you talk by yourself?
No, I mean that after we do spoken test, and then in the November she got sick, and then she cannot continue the class and need to repeat the class.
Oh,
Yeah, sadly. And then the final test we did it in the canteen uh, between no it's beside the Syariah. So me Najib and Najib
and who?
who Alvindra. Yeah, he's one of my friends from economic faculty. Bentar. Yeah. Sorry,
When ya, when ya, when ya,
Set, set, set.
when ya,
Set.
when ya.
Aduh, ketahuan.
Aduh, when ya.
Ay, what is it?
What? Baca kemak kah? Lusen baterai sisa baterai dari sekarang. Oh, hell is it?
What about it? You need to
Ya,
be...
ya, tidak masakan lah. Paling mati. So, hell. I'm not ready for this test actually, for this spoken test. Like, oh my god, we got so many achievement.
Assignment?
Yeah, I mean assignment, because many assignment from the mayor, from English development too. And yeah, I'm gonna ask about the maximum what aduh apa tadi namanya?
What is it?
PMU ya.
Yeah.
How the way to join it?
First of all, you need to... first of all, you need to... what is it? Yeah, you just need to sign in it. And then take the test, TOEFL test, the first TOEFL test, and then do the interview with, what do I say, HRT? yeah, the interviewer. So you just need to speak English, and then yeah, you need to complete the 40 meetings
40
to
meeting.
yeah to SKS
A month means a month more.
from July
Oh,
to
July.
August.
Oh,
Yeah,
July.
from July to
So
August.
I think I
So
can follow this.
so in the so years ago, I don't even sleep in my house
Mm,
because I'm here in Banjarmasin every day
mhm.
from 8 o'clock until 12 o'clock.
Oh my
Yeah,
god.
it's fun. And then I met
The
I met yeah I
yeah,
met one
you
of
met the
the teacher
from
tutor.
outside country.
Yes, native. His native.
His native and
He's from Scotland.
oh my
Yeah.
god. In different accent it
Yes.
means yeah the whole yeah
Yeah,
yeah
with the red class.
uh-huh wait is it just the same with the Arabic one like
No.
PMU Arabic
PMU.
PMU wah jadi bangsa banget like yeah I'm interested with this major with this with this PMU but in Arabic not in English I mean so
Uh,
it is the same test.
yeah, it's the same but different language, of course. But years ago, the Arabic, uh, they do not have the native.
Oh,
Yeah, with the English
anjir.
one,
Oh,
the only English one from Scotland
why
and
they cannot invite them or something?
yeah, perhaps I don't know. I'm not one of the tutors. Yeah, I like it, and I met my friend from both semester
Hmm,
in UPB. So try it.
yeah.
Give it a try.
Yeah, that's right. But I'm
And
afraid we crash with the
what?
pengabdian masyarakat. How
I think
is it will crash with the test? No.
years ago,
You also follow the PM?
yes,
Oh my god, how berarti?
it's easy. But I don't know this year when they do the pendaftaran. So just wait.
Oh,
Oh,
just wait and see. Okay. So how many laps? Aduh, lagi. Entahlah.
sejam pun kulayani.
Saya tak kuat. Yeah, so it means yeah, it is the same. A lot of things just the same, like your years.
What your years?
The lesson, your years.
You,
I mean,
your
in your
years?
class, at the in the last year, ya gitulah.
Yo. What is it? What do you mean?
Yeah, it's the same like the assignment like video making
Oh, paper.
sites. No, in this class with Mr. Fitra, I mean, it is the same lesson, same assignment.
Which one do you mean? The UPB
Yeah,
basic UPB?
yeah, basic.
Well, I don't know. It's your, it's
Maybe.
your time. So I don't know.
Yeah, it just the same like we. But in
Mm,
I don't know in your in your years, do you usually listen a song before class start?
no,
Ooh, it means
we do not.
this new program from Mr. Putra. So we usually for this from the I forget maybe in after middle test the second semester we listen to some songs like Bohemian Rhapsody. It replay for 3 or 4 days. I forget about it. So yeah, we can request also. So yeah,
Mama.
I'm right. Yeah, you know, I'm request the winner takes it all. It's forcing kalahan. Yeah, that's the the new program. So basically, it is the same lesson, I think, in his years and in my years. That
It's different because
what?
because we rarely do the assignment video assignment, especially in that events, international event, the English one.
Huh?
We do not we not go there. So yeah, I don't know. We just take a video, just like middle test,
Oh yeah,
middle test, and final. You
like
just do that.
English even we go we have to buy their products. So ya begitulah. And then make a vlog like oh, yeah. So yeah. It also shock assignment. Suddenly he give us, you have to do this assignment. You take live video. You that you what? You buying something in their event like that. Like wow.
So he just spontaneously did.
Mm.
Oh.
Yeah, we are spontaneously like suddenly he's there like I'm right here in English what in English event international event like yeah then you have to make video Allah Akbar like oh yeah nambah lagi.
What the hell?
Yeah, it was a shocking assignment but overall yeah it's oh no yeah all his assignment are fun like
Yeah.
yeah like video this is also the new assignment for me because in before in my aliyah in my madras aliyah like we never make seldom make this like we talking in other language like that.
Yeah. Yeah. It's kind of improve my speaking.
Yeah, it's also improve lah, lumayan improve lah. Yes.
Lumayan improve
You,
lah.
yeah, you know, in my boarding school, I was in boarding school before. Like we talking like this, like in days, like if I ask you to accompany me to take a bath, like, you have done take a bath lah.
You don't-
If not yet, let's not accompany me. Like you talking
Company.
English in Banjar accent or something? Like I mean,
Yeah, yeah.
Banjarness make to English like that. Yang bahasa
Inggris-Inggrisin.
Banjar yang diinggrisakan, nah not the pure English one. So it also makes me makes the bunian lagi. Like I mean the foundation of my speaking skill. Then when I went here, it yeah sih, it's
Better?
be more better than before. Like
What-
you
before?
yeah
Before?
you know if we talk like that in my boarding school like we wanna say things in the right pronunciation in the right accent you will get like like how could we improve our English like that. Yeah, like that lah. So it's hard to improve our English there. So yeah, well, like what I say, it's Banjar yang di Inggris akan.
Yeah. For me, myself, I am in the first place. So we're gonna take a look at my past. I speak English with an American accent when I was a kid. So I went to British accent from high school, high school, and then and this how does in the college I went to the Scottish accent because of my friends. And one of the films that I recommend for you to watch is such as Peaky Blinders,
Oh.
and then you can watch
Thomas
the
Ivo.
I Swear.
Uh,
I swear, I swear
uh,
with R. So
I swear you.
it's Scottish film,
Uh-huh.
and you'll understand a little bit about that accent.
Mm.
And how do I improve my speaking skill is,
How?
for me, I'll
How?
recommend it. Just speak as you want,
It's like
and do not. Yeah,
speaking alone, speaking
yeah.
by
I
yourself.
usually do the speaking monologue. I do monologue
Mm-hmm.
with
They monologue.
myself, even in the
Boo.
in the bathroom,
Monologue
or
aja.
in the when I went to Banjarbaru to go home, home, home.
Ho.
How do I spell it? I don't know.
Ho.
It just fluently
Mm-hmm.
and naturally, yeah. And the hardest thing that I do, for me myself as an Arabic Arabic language department, is I cannot speaking in Arabic
Oh,
because my accent is kind of the hard R. Do you know? Yeah, it's kind of like that. So uh, the most difficult thing now, I cannot speak Arabic fluently because, yeah, one of them is my accent, and then the mufradat.
yeah,
Yeah,
we got hard in for that.
yeah, and then I have one student. I teach her for to be a tour guide. She wants to be a tour guide, so she talked to me and, hey, can you teach me about the English? And I teach her. When one of the most difficult things is that I can speak I cannot speak slowly for her because, it's one so like this.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
hard to speak
it's hard to
slowly.
speak slowly when you uh, when you usually speak in English,
Mm.
and the accent, I need to change my accent. Yeah, it's happened lots of times. She just like, "Huh, what are you talking about?"
Apa nih mas?
Yeah, apa ini mas?
Mas.
Yeah, she just like ngangong-ngangong, and
Mhm.
yeah, I need to repeat it lots many times. And I want to talk about myself first. Yeah, yeah. My name is Hasbi. Yeah, to make the minutes longer than the others. So I want to talk about myself first. My name is Hasbi. You can
Uh,
call me Will. My hobby is,
no, this is not fair. This is Rian Goblin. You know, like he was the little version of Hidzet Ceha. You know, you search Goblin Rian Goblin, you will get his face. Really, this is
sengaja.
a funny. I mean, funny things like when I first when the first time I see him, I saw him like I think I ever see this person like ini bukannya ini bukannya Rian Goblin ya like
Aduh, I didn't expect that. You know, it's
uh,
halo lala, halo lala. Yeah,
yeah,
I'm
we do
speaking.
interrogate him to do the assignment, the last assignment, spoken assignment for
Yeah, we
UPB.
do spoken test.
Yeah.
Yeah, next we
Uh,
do the.
what? Do you know Ageng Carlitos?
No,
Oh, huh? Really? You don't know Ageng Carlitos?
no.
Yeah, like yeah, he is the one uh talking in talking English in what in Higer accent
Higher,
like
higher, higher.
in
What is Hager?
yeah in in African accent I mean like yeah see yeah, such like Grand Theft Auto I mean you know GTA like
The Black American accent.
yeah
Yeah, I need to understand what he's saying.
Nah, like
I think, yeah, I think I've seen him
yeah,
a lot.
actually I really like anjir, baterai lemah. Ya, maybe this. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi